Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss question January 2024. Okay, for resident status, you guys can refer to questions number 1, questions number 1B. Alright, so let's read the questions together. So first, look at the required. Determine the tax resident status of Mr. I, Junit, for the year of assessment 2017 until 2023. So how many years, guys, you need to compute 17 until 23? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it means to say 7 years. So make sure that your answer consists of 7 YEs. Okay, next. So state the relevant sections and reasons for your answer. Okay. As you guys already know, okay, this is our format. So our format consists of 6 columns. So first column is column YA, followed by period of stay, number of days, status, sections, and also reasons. Okay, so now let's take a look on our questions, guys. Okay, Mr. I, a native of Saudi Arabia. Meaning to say, guys, Mr. Aijuni, he is not Malaysian. But I already told you guys, okay, for resident status, everyone, nationality or citizenship is not important. So what is important is how long he stays in Malaysia. That's it. Other than that, we don't care. Okay, look at this one. And then he arrived in Malaysia, has been employed since 2017 as the head chef of Middle Eastern cuisine at Akik Hotel in Melaka. So meaning to say, guys, currently he is working in Malaysia. Alright? Okay, so what year he came to Malaysia, guys? 2017. That's why here, guys, when you look at here, when you are given this table, the YE here start from 2017. Okay, next. His period of stay in Malaysia were as follows. So you are given a table and then there are 3 columns. Isn't it? Okay, column number 1 is year. Column number 2 is periods of stay. Column number 3 is notes. Okay, guys. First, let us settle the note. Okay, we have 3 notes, isn't it? Normally, I said normally. Or maybe guys, maybe. Notes is TA. But you need to read, you analyze the notes, and then you decide whether it is TA or not TA. Okay, look at information number 1, guys. He went back to Saudi Arabia. Okay, to his home country for what? To perform Umrah. From 28 May until 12 June 2018. Guys, what does it mean by notes number 1? So note number 1, he was not in Malaysia starting from 28 May until 12 June, isn't it? The reason is he performed Umrah. But it doesn't matter, guys. The reason you are absent from Malaysia, you can always try under temporary absent. So very obvious, temporary absent related to work matter is not suitable. If health is not suitable, isn't it? How about social visit? We can try social visit. Social visit, it could be anything, guys. You visited someone, okay? Maybe he, like I said just now, he visited someone, or maybe he went for vacation. Alright, including Umrah. So in this case, guys, we need to make sure social visit, the limit is not more than 14 days. Okay, not more than 14 days. So let's us compute 28 May until 12 June. How many days? Okay, for example, May 31 minus 28. Don't forget the plus 1. And then June 12 days, isn't it? Okay. Let's compute, everyone. How many days? Okay, so I got here 31 minus 28 plus 1 plus 12. Okay, I got here 16 days, guys. So 16 days, very obvious. Already exceeded 14 days, isn't it? So what happened to note number 1? Note number 1 confirmed this is not TA, but he was absent from Malaysia. So this period, do not record it in your answer. Okay, notes number 2. From 1st July until 14 July 2019, he attended a course which is related to hospitality ethic in Australia. Guys, hospitality ethic, very obvious. He is working at hotel and then he attended course related to his job, isn't it? So this one, guys, confirm. This is temporary absent with no limit if related to work. Okay, last but not least, number 3. He married a woman from his country. So meaning to say, his wife is from Saudi Arabia. Okay. And then he left Malaysia permanently on 31st March 2023 at 2 p.m. Guys, do you still remember when I told you during lecture? I said that part of the day is considered as one day, isn't it? So meaning to say, question is telling you that he left Malaysia, alright, on 31st March at 2 p.m. Meaning to say, 31st March, he's still in Malaysia. His flight is at 2 p.m., isn't it? So meaning to say, what happened on 31st? He's still present in Malaysia. Still present in Malaysia. That's why, if you guys look at year 2023 here, guys, period of stay 1st January until 31st March, isn't it? Look at here. So confirm 31st March, he's still present in Malaysia. Starting from 1st April, he is no longer in Malaysia. Alright? Okay, so now guys, we know that number 1, number 2 done. Okay, let's take a look on 2017. Okay, what is our period of stay for 2017? 1st July until 18 December. Okay, so let's record here. 1st July until 18 December. Okay, any more for 2017? Done. Isn't it? Okay, let's total up our number of these, guys. Okay, this one, look at the period, guys. 1st July. Exactly, first day in July, isn't it? So, July, you can take full day of July. So, 31. Okay, plus August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30. Okay, and then December up until 18, right? So, you plus 18. Plus 18. Okay, next, total up. So, I got here, number of days is 171 days. Okay, guys, 171 days. Okay, let's try to use section 7, subsection 1A. So, very obvious, everyone. A, you need to stay in Malaysia 182 days. Isn't it? But this one only 171. So, we cannot apply A. Okay, now, let's try B. B, there are 2 ways. Isn't it? Okay, 2 ways. Okay, number 1, link by. So, link by, we need help from last year. So, if this year is 2017, last year was 2016. But do we have 2016, guys? No. Because first time, Mr. Al came to Malaysia 2017. So, obviously, no 2016. Okay, skip link by. How about link 2? Okay, link 2. We need help from next year. So, next year is 2018, isn't it? Okay, guys, let's record 2018. Okay, so 2018, what do we have here? Alright, guys. 1st March until 27 May. Okay, followed by note number 2. This one done. Followed number 2. Note number 1, guys. Note number 1. So, note number 1, this is not TA, isn't it? So, no need to record notes number 1. So, skip 28 May until 12 June. So, understood that this one, guys, he was absent from Malaysia. Okay, so continue the period 13 June until 30th June. 13 June until 30th June. Okay, so done recording for year 2018 and note number 1, right? Okay, now go back to our 2017, guys. Okay, 2017. What are we doing, guys? We were trying to use link 2. Okay, link 2, we need help from 2018, isn't it? Okay, guys. Okay, before that, how do we link 2017 to 2018? Of course, we have terms and conditions. Okay, let me prepare calendar for 2017 for you. Okay, 1st January 2017 until 31st December 2017. Right? Okay, followed by calendar 2018. Okay, 1st January 2018. Okay, until 2018 until 31st December 2018. Okay, guys. Condition number 1 is in 2017. So how do we link from 2017 to next year, 2018? Of course, we need one day. One day. At least one day in December 2017. Guys, if you guys look at here, in order to link 2017 and also 2018, we are going to start with December. December 17, isn't it? Okay, look at 2017. Do we have December? Yes, we do. Okay, now go to 2018. Okay, go down, guys. Go down to 2018. Go down 2018. So, the first day that we are going to see. The first day that we are going to see in 2018. Look at the calendar here. It must be connected starting from 1st January 2018. But do we have January? No. We don't even have January, isn't it, guys? So, due to that, what happened? So, we cannot use link 2. Okay, fine. Skip link 2. We go to C. Now, we go to C. So, what is C? Stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. So, you guys look at 2017, we have more than 90, isn't it? Okay, first condition, satisfied. Okay, second condition, 3 out of 4. Immediate preceding years are either resident or he stays in Malaysia at least 90 days. But guys, do we have 3 out of 4? Do we have 2016, 15, 14? Obviously no. So can we use C? Of course no. Okay, fine. Skip C. Okay, let's try D. What is D, guys? D. Next year is resident. Meaning to say we need to make sure 2018 resident. And 3 immediate preceding years are also resident. So if you guys look at here, first condition we can do that, 2018. We can look at whether this one is resident or not. But condition number 2, 3 immediate. Okay, condition for D, guys. Sorry. Okay, I repeat again. Condition for D, next year is resident and 3 immediate preceding years are also resident. So in this case, guys, do we have 3 immediate preceding years? Do we have 16? Do you have 15? Or do you have 14? Obviously, no. So, meaning to say, all section cannot be used. That's why our answer is NR. So non-resident, guys, you don't have to write this section because there is no section, there is no reason. Okay, so done 2017. Okay, now we go to 2018, guys. Okay, let's total up. Okay, 2018, calculate number of days for the first row. First March, exactly beginning of March, isn't it? Okay, March 31. May is April 30. Okay, May until 27. So, you should get 88 days. Okay, followed by 30 June until 30 June. This is the same month, right? Therefore, take the second date 30th minus the first date 13. So, plus 1. So, I got here 18 days. Total up, everyone. So, number of days is 106. Okay, guys. Let's try A. Very obvious, guys. We cannot use A because less than 182, right? Okay, how about link by? First condition, we need to have at least one day in January 2018. We don't even have January. Okay, how about link 2, guys? Okay, link 2, before we go to the next year, we need at least one day in December. Do we even have December? No. Okay, fine. Let's try C. Okay, let's try C, guys. Okay, C. Stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Okay, we got more than 90, isn't it? Okay, and then 3 out of 4 immediate preceding years. Guys, how many immediate preceding years do we have? Only one. 2017, yes, this is non-resident, but we have option. C, we have option. Either resident or stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. So even though the status is NR, but number of days is 90, isn't it? Okay, we got one. Unfortunately, we don't have 2016 and 2015. So we fail C. Okay, it's okay. Try D. Okay, try D. Okay, what is D? Okay, D, next year must be resident. And 3 immediate preceding years are also resident. Okay, before we go to next year, let's try 3 immediate preceding years. Whether resident or not. Okay, 2017, is it resident? No. So we failed D, guys. Very badly we failed D. So due to that, all section cannot be used. So what happened in 2018, guys? Non-resident. Okay. So non-resident. So non-resident, no sections, no reason. Okay. Alright, now we go to 2019. Okay, guys. 2019. Okay. 3rd February until 30th June. Okay. Followed by, don't forget we have notes number 2. This is TA. TA we need to record 1st July until 14th July. Okay, record here. Followed by our next date, 15 July to 31st December. Okay, let's compute number of days, guys. Okay, first row, 3rd February. So February, be careful guys. This is February. Make sure 2019, is it leap year or not? No, this is not leap year. So February 28. Okay, therefore 28. Okay, and then you guys minus with, this one third, right? Okay, minus with 3. Okay, minus 3. And then you guys plus 1. Okay, so 28 minus 3 plus 1. Okay, followed by March 31, April 30, May 31, June until 30, right? Plus 30. So you should get 148. Okay, 148 days. Okay, next. Our TA. Okay, 1st until 14. So, meaning to say 14 days, don't forget to put in bracket TA. Okay, last but not least. 15 July until 31st December. Okay, this one 15 July. Okay, July how many days? 31. So, minus 15 plus 1. Okay, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December until 31. Plus 31. So, I got here 170 days. Okay. So, done 170 days. Okay. Total up, guys. Okay. Everyone, remember, when you total up, every time you total up, every time you CTA, think, what are we doing right now? Are we doing B? No. We don't even try A yet, isn't it? So, what are we doing right now? Calculating number of days. So, every time you calculate number of days, guys, do not include TA. TA is used for B and B only. Alright? That's why you exclude TA. So, when we exclude TA, our number of days has become 318. So, 318. So very obvious, everyone. 318, this one is resident under which section? Section 7, subsections 1A. So how do we give reason? Stay in Malaysia at least 180 days. Please bear in mind, guys, do not give reason stay in Malaysia for more than 182. Wrong. The correct reason is at least 182 days. Okay, 2019. Done. Okay, let's take a look on 2020, everyone. Okay, what date do we have? 1st January until 2nd May. Guys, let's calculate number of days. Be careful, because 2020 is a leap year. So what happened to leap year, everyone? February 29. So we have February here. Okay, let's compute. January start 1st January. So January 31. plus 29 February plus March 31 plus April 30 plus May 2. So you will get here 1, 2, 3. Very nice number. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 122 days. Very obvious. When we try A, we need 182. Isn't it? So this one less than 182. Very obvious, guys. We cannot use we cannot use section 7, subsection 1A. Okay, now let's try to use B. Okay, guys. Let's try link by first. Okay, what does it mean by link by? Link by is we need help from last year. So if this year is 2020, meaning to say previous year was 2019, isn't it? Okay, let me prepare calendar for 2019 and calendar 2020. So you can see clearly. Okay, 2019, 1st January 19 until 31st December 2019. Okay, 2020, 1st January 20 until 31st December 20. Alright, so guys, this is the calendar of 2019 and 2020. So this is us. This is us. Okay, now this is us, isn't it? Okay, from 2020, you need help from 2019, meaning to say you reverse back. You go backward. Isn't it? So when you go backward, condition number 1, of course in YA 2020. So condition number 1, make sure that you have at least one day in January 2020. So if you guys look at here, YA 2020, we have more than one day January, isn't it? Okay, let's see this one. 1st January, this is our one day. So condition number 1, done. Okay, so after condition number 1 done, now you reverse back to 2019. The first day that you will see, guys, is not January 19, but 31st December 2019, isn't it? So condition number 2, make sure we have 31st December 2019. Okay, so reverse back. Do we have 31st December 2019 in 2019? Of course we have. Yes, we do. Okay, Now, starting from 31st December, guys, make sure the period is consecutive. We can get 182. I need 182 days in 2019. Guys, 182 not from 2020, starting from 2019. Okay, so make sure period consecutive. 15 July until 31st December consecutive. 170 days. Okay, 1. But not enough because I need 182. Okay, what should we do? Okay. Not enough, isn't it? Okay, guys, go up here. So, from 14 July here, date here, to 15 July consecutive, isn't it? However, this is not physical present. This is TA. Remember, guys, what are we doing right now? We are doing link to, link by, isn't it? This is B, right? B, we can use TA. We can use TA as long as before and after TA. So, the taxpayer is present in Malaysia. So, let's check it out. Okay, TA start 1st July. So before 1st July, 30th June. Present, right? Present. Last TA, 14 July. So after 15 is 15. Also present. So now you can use this TA. You can use this TA of part of our 182 days. Okay, guys. Plus TA. Okay, 14 plus 170. Now we got 184 days. Okay, guys. 184 more than 182, isn't it? That's why we fulfill section 7, subsection 1B. Okay, therefore, for YA 2020, everyone, the answer is resident. Section 7, subsections 1B. How do we give reason, everyone? Stay in Malaysia less than 182 days, 1 tick. But the period is linked by. This is linked by. You need to mention what is the year. Okay, 2019 here. So linked by YA 2019. What kind of help that we need from 2019, everyone? 182 days consecutively, including TA. So this is how you give reason for 2020. Okay, alright, done. Okay, now we go to the next one, 2021. So what do we have here? 2nd March until 5th June. Okay, 2nd March until 5th June. Okay, guys. Let's calculate number of days. So, March, this one is 2nd March, right? Okay, March 31 minus 2 plus 1. April 30, May 31, June plus 5. Okay, total up. So, number of days is 96 days. Okay. 96 days. Everyone, let's try A first. Very obvious, guys. You see the numbers, you know you cannot apply A. Isn't it? Okay, it's okay. Let's try B. So, what is B, guys? B, we have to link to Limbai. Okay, let's try Limbai first. So, Limbai, we need help from 2020, isn't it? But before we get help from 2020, there is a one condition in 2021, which is we need at least 1 day in January 2021, and we don't even have January. So what should we do, everyone? So skip link by. Okay, now we go to link 2. Link 2, we need help from next year. So next year is 2022, isn't it? Okay, before we go to 2022. Okay, first condition in 2021 is we need at least 1 day in December 2021. And we don't even have December. So what should we do? Skip link 2. Okay, now we try C. Okay, try C, guys. Okay, C. Stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Do we have 90? In fact, more than 90. Okay, first condition, satisfied. Okay, condition number 2. 3 out of 4. Immediate preceding years. Immediate, we need to say that you cannot skip a year. So, if this is 2021, immediate, you must start with 2020. And then you choose out of 4, you choose 3. So, what you need to choose is you have option. Either resident, if not resident, stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Okay, guys, let's try this one, yeah? Okay, 2020, is it resident? Yes, we got 1. Okay, 2019, is it resident? Yes, we got 2. Okay, 2018, is it resident? Non-resident. But remember, guys, we have option. Stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Look at here. Is it 90, guys? Yes, more than 90. So that's why now we got 3. So what happened to 2021? So now we fulfill C. Okay, so resident. Section 7, subsection 1C. So how do we give reason? Stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days. And 3 out of 4 immediate preceding years, you need to mention what was the year just now. Okay, what were the year just now? Okay, 2020, 19, 18. Or either residents or stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Okay, done for 2021. Now we go to 2022. Guys, look at here. Where is 2022? Missing. Is it missing? No, it is not missing. No. It is not missing. 2022, if it is not in the table, meaning to say, guys, Mr. Aljunied was not in Malaysia at all in 2022. But remember, guys, you need to calculate until 23. So, you must do it 2022. So, 2022, you need to record like this. So you record like this. So, 2022, no period of stay, no number of days, 0. But when it is 0, guys, normally you cannot use A, you cannot use Limba, you cannot use link 2, you cannot use C. But you can always try D. Let's try D because condition for D, alright, we don't need any number of days in 2022. Condition D, next year must be resident. And then 3 immediate preceding years are also resident. Okay, guys, let's take a look on second condition first. Okay, 3 immediate preceding years are resident. Okay, so this is 2022. So 3 immediate start from 2021. Resident, 1. 2020 resident, 2. 2019 resident, 3. So second condition fulfilled, isn't it? Okay, first condition, next year is resident. Let's do it for 2023. Okay, so 2023 the date. 1st January until 31st March. So 2023, guys, is it leap year? No. Okay, so let's compute. Okay, this one. 1st January, so January 31. February 28, because this is not leap year. And then March until 31. So I got here, guys, 90 days. Okay, so everyone, let's try it. So very obvious guys, less than 182, you cannot go for it. Isn't it? Okay, let's try Limbai. Okay, Limbai, first condition. In 2023, we must have at least 1 day in January. And we have more than 1 day here. Isn't it? Okay, now we go back. So reverse back to 2022. Okay, I need 31st December 2022. But there is no number of days. So we cannot use link by. Alright? Okay, how about link 2? There is no next year. Don't waste your time. Let's try C. Okay, C kan? C C. Okay. Stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. So here, is it 90? Yes. First condition fulfilled. Okay, second condition. 3 out of 4 or either resident or stay in Malaysia at least 90 days. Okay, 3 out of 4 start from 2022. 2022, number of days 0. Okay, do we know the status yet? Not yet. Isn't it? Okay, skip 2022 because we still have another 3 options. Okay, go to 2021. Is it resident? Yes, we got 1. 2020 resident? Yes, we got 2. 2019, is it resident? Yes, we got 3. So what happened guys? Do we fulfill section 7, section 1D? Obviously, yes. That's why 2022, the answer is D. Okay, how do we give reason for D, everyone? Okay, next year is a resident. So what is the YA next year? 2023. So you mentioned in bracket. And 3 immediate preceding years, what were the YA just now? 2021, 2019 are also resident. Okay, so I guess that's all for past year January 2024.